The Hispaniolan Solenodon is a fascinating and critically endangered mammal that is native to the Caribbean island of Hispaniola, which is shared by the Dominican Republic and Haiti. It is one of the few surviving members of an ancient group of mammals known as Solenodons, which first appeared around 76 million years ago, making them one of the world's oldest mammal lineages. These animals are found only on the island of Hispaniola, which is their natural range. They are not found anywhere else in the world. The Hispaniolan Solenodon belongs to the family Solenodontidae and is part of the order Euler, which includes shrews, moles, and hedgehogs. There is also another species, the Cuban Solenodon, which is found on the neighboring island of Cuba. The fur of the Hispaniolan Solenodon is typically reddish-brown to brown in color. The specific shade can vary among individuals. Their fur is generally coarse and shaggy, which helps to insulate them in their tropical habitat. The Hispaniolan Solenodon has a stocky, cylindrical body with short legs. Their tail is long and scaly, and it can account for a significant portion of the total body length. The most distinctive feature is their long, flexible snout, which is used for foraging and capturing prey. This snout is often grooved on the underside. Their eyes are relatively small, and their ears are partially concealed by their fur. Hispaniolan Solenodons typically measure around 28 to 32 centimeters from the tip of their snout to the base of their tail. Their tail can add an additional 19 to 24 centimeters to their overall length. Height: they stand at about 10 to 12 centimeters at the shoulder. These creatures are relatively small, weighing around 400 to 1,000 grams. The weight can vary depending on factors such as age, sex, and diet. Solenodons have a unique adaptation. They possess grooves in their lower incisors that allow them to inject venom into their prey. This venom immobilizes or kills the prey, making it easier for the Solenodon to consume. These creatures are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night. They spend their days in burrows or hidden locations to avoid predators and the hot daytime temperatures. Solenodons are solitary animals and are rarely seen in groups. Solenodons are territorial, and they mark their territories with scent markings, feces, and urine. They use these scent cues to communicate with other Solenodons and to establish boundaries. Solenodons are known for their slow and deliberate movements. They do not move quickly and prefer to take their time when foraging for food. This slow pace may help them conserve energy and avoid attracting attention from potential predators. Solenodons have a highly developed sense of smell, which they use to locate prey. Their long, flexible snout is equipped with sensory receptors that can detect the scent of insects and other small animals. Solenodons often emit high-pitched squeaking sounds. These squeaks can serve as contact calls between individuals, especially between mothers and their offspring. Hissing sounds are produced by Solenodons, which can be used as a warning or defensive mechanism when they feel threatened or agitated. Some observations suggest that Solenodons make chattering or chittering sounds. These sounds may be associated with territorial disputes or communication during mating encounters. Whistling sounds have also been reported in Solenodons. These may be used in various social interactions or as part of their communication repertoire. Research has shown that Solenodons are capable of producing ultrasonic vocalizations that are beyond the range of human hearing. These ultrasonic calls may have specific functions in their communication or navigation. Solenodons are known to produce a variety of other vocalizations, but detailed research on the specific meanings and contexts of these sounds is still limited due to the elusiveness of the species. Insects make up a significant portion of the Hispaniolan Solenodon's diet. They are known to consume a wide variety of insects, including beetles, centipedes, crickets, and other small arthropods. Solenodons have specialized adaptations, including a venomous bite, to capture and immobilize these prey items. In addition to insects, Solenodons may also eat other small invertebrates, such as worms, spiders, and snails. Their flexible snout and keen sense of smell help them locate these prey items in leaf litter and soil. While insects dominate their diet, Solenodons are opportunistic predators and may occasionally consume small vertebrates, such as frogs, lizards, and even small mammals like mice or birds. However, such prey items are less common in their diet compared to insects. Solenodons have been observed eating fruits on occasion. Fruits likely provide a source of additional nutrients and hydration when available, but they are not a primary component of their diet. Solenodons are known to scavenge on carrion when they come across it. This behavior allows them to take advantage of available food resources. While exact breeding seasons may vary somewhat depending on factors like location and environmental conditions, Solenodons are known to breed throughout the year. They do not have a strict breeding season like many other mammals. Solenodons are solitary animals, and their reproductive behavior is no exception. Unlike many other mammals, they do not form pairs or mate for life. Instead, they come together for mating purposes and then go their separate ways. When a female is in estrus, she releases chemical signals to attract potential mates. Males may pick up on these signals and track down the female. Solenodon courtship and mating behavior are not well documented due to their elusive nature, but it is believed to involve vocalizations, scent marking, and physical interactions between the male and female. After successful mating, the female has a gestation period of approximately 73 days. During this time, she carries the developing embryos in her uterus. Typically, Solenodon females give birth to a relatively small litter of 1 to 3 offspring. The litter size may vary depending on factors such as the female's age and health. After birth, the female provides maternal care for her offspring. The newborn Solenodons are blind, hairless, and entirely dependent on their mother for nourishment and protection. The mother keeps the young in a burrow or concealed location, where she cares for them until they are capable of fending for themselves. The young Solenodons gradually grow and become more independent. They eventually leave the maternal nest to establish their territories and live solitary lives. Solenodons have a relatively low reproductive rate compared to many other small mammals. Their slow reproductive rate, combined with other threats such as habitat loss and predation, makes them particularly vulnerable to population declines. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.